Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we're doing a Dollar Tree challenge. Now, with prices going up, I think we need all the help we can get to create beautiful decor for the most special moments of our lives. And so that's what we're doing this week. I had two inspiration pictures. Both of them are pumpkin centerpieces. One is more ethereal and the other is more of a English garden, and I kind of wanted to combine the two. So I also gave myself the challenge to get everything from the Dollar Tree, and I'm happy to say I did that. So this week we're going to create this beautiful centerpiece for $12. Yes, $12. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Fall Pumpkin Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. This 5-inch Dollar Tree carvable pumpkin is so easy to manipulate with my foam cutter. Don't worry, I'll have a link to the foam cutter in the description below the video. So I'm going to use the beads on this fall ornament to create a foot on the bottom of my pumpkin. So simple, and it was $1.25. Next, I'm going to trim down this 4-inch styrofoam disc so that it fits nice and snug inside of my pumpkin base. I'm going to go ahead and paint my pumpkin a neutral antique white. You can paint it whatever color you would like. Be sure to paint the rim of the top as well as the bottom. As a final touch, I'm going to attach the top of my pumpkin with a shish kebab skewer, if you can believe it or not, also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Well guys, what do you think? Can you believe this is a $12.58 centerpiece? I know. I'm even having a hard time believing it. I love how it has like a modern, also a delicate just feel to it. I'm just really excited about what we were able to create. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And don't forget, drop us a comment, drop us a like, drop us a question right there in the comment section. I answer them myself. It does take me a minute sometime to get to them, but I promise you I will get to them. In the meantime, we have a fantastic DIY community that is there to help you. If you want to hang out a little bit more, by all means do. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or otherwise known as X, Instagram, and please check out our Pinterest page. You're going to absolutely love it. Well, guys, our time is up. Before we go, I want to remind you that you can submit your project request on our website, MissPlanet.com. You can get to the website by clicking right there in the corner. It'll take you right there, or the link in the description. Our website is full of additional cost-saving tips, as well as written and picture instructions for the majority of our projects. So head on over to MissPlanet.com and find more cost-saving tips of the trade to help you create the party or event of your dreams. In addition to that, we just want to thank you for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we do not take you spending time with us lightly. Don't forget also that all the links to all the supplies for all of our projects are always listed in the description right below. Just click on that upside down arrow or that space that says show details, and you will have all the links there for your use, and I hope they are helpful. Well, guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.